Automotive Crash Repair and Restoration, Adelaide, South Australia. This established business offers a healthy turnover, plus the opportunity to grow. Boasting a prime location, the business benefits from multiple income streams and no competition. There is a strong 10-year trading history, offering high-quality restoration work and insurance work. Work is regular and ongoing, with several car dealerships as clients, and the potential to target more. The spacious premises offer a prominent corner location in a high-traffic area, with easy access and parking. The sale includes a Toyota Camry loan car, equipment, and a money-saving solar system. With Adelaide showing strong population and economic growth, the future's bright for this excellent business.